Dr. John Pastor. Yeah. All right. So this is part 2, right? So the video that I put up part 1, you hear the girl talk, the 17-year-old girl talking about how she and Pastor been sexing since she was 15, and she break off the relationship. Pastor move on to our sister, our 15-year-old sister who's currently 15. That's the one he got caught with in the car, and she has a 22-year-old sister that had a baby, and that baby is also the pastor's child. Now, this looks to be a case of a financially well off or financially stable man, as most pastors are, taking full advantage of a impoverished family, right? So here's a lady, the mother of the girls, she has, and this is another problem in Jamaica. You know, I breed up, and don't have no man around. 11 picnic and no man, that alone is sick, right? You have no career, no goals. You're there clean people's house. Not that there's anything wrong with cleaning people's houses, being a maid, but 11 children and no man. And now a 65-year-old man I slap with your 15-year-old, 14-year-old, and I'm willing to bet that 17-year-old was sleeping with him before she was 15. You understand what I'm saying? So this video is all over the place because there are so many hot topics in this. Not only are we addressing the whole pastor being in at the church thing and using the church as a cover, these are real predators. These are real wolf in sheep clothing type of people right here that we're talking about. And the thing about it in Jamaica is so sad that you still have these people that actually defend people like the pastor and we cuss out people like me because I say things like, me not going to church, or me not send my picnic them going to church. You see my son, my 14-year-old son, when he goes out, say him grandmother carry him go church, right? And when my mother carry them go church, my boys go church. First of all, it's very hard for her to get my boys to go to church because I don't just send them to nobody church. Because I know the indoctrination that goes on in church, the mind play, the whole heap of friggeries they go on with in the church. So I try to keep my kids out of that. Now, when I do her the honor of actually sending my son to church with her, I tell my 14-year-old, you better be accountable. Every single second that you're in there, you better know where my babies are. That means some people just pull up next to me. That means my 7 and 8-year-old, his siblings, he better know where they're at all times. Cause I don't want them going to the bathroom, go use the bathroom, and some predatory pastor going there talk about, oh, your zipper stuck, you want me help you with it? And I feel like I'm picking the wood on them something there. Them money are nasty, them dirty, and it happens all over the world. This ain't just in Jamaica alone. That is the part that I need to get out. This is not just in Jamaica alone. It seems to be a church thing. Like the real predator them go hiding at the church, from the Catholic church down to, it doesn't matter what denomination of church it is. And that's the thing about this religion right here. They have no accountability. These people really feel that they can do all manner of evil on the face of the earth. And as long as they pray about it, their God will forgive them for their sins, and then they can move on with life, right? So in other words then, everything is good to go as long as you pray about it after. Eat anything as long as you pray about it after. Kill, murder, rape, pillage, do anything as long as you pray about it after. And the day before you die, you say, I accept Lord and Savior as my whatever, and your soul is going to heaven. That is their doctrine, and people fail to understand that. And this kind of mentality here within this religion here breeds the kind of things that you see going on. Like this pastor here, I frig off the liquor picnic them, and I go and like say him I do some justice. People, it's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Me I go in here so I can pay some bills. But I want to hear one office about this, right? I want to hear what y'all have to say about this. I want to talk up the things them. I want y'all to talk about the mother having 11 children and no career field, no job. Even if you come from poverty, why you have 11 children for? You breed 11 times. I want y'all to talk about that. I want you to talk about the woman them in Jamaica where I give them picnic to man who have money. Give them underage daughter to man who have money because them in need of financial help. right? And them willing to turn a blind eye when big man frig off them little picnic because they are in need of money. I want you to talk about them pimping out their daughters basically because that's what's going on. I want you to talk about all them things that on SouFLoTV today. You hear me? I say, I want you to leave your angle to the story. All right? It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is part 2 to the predatory pastors wolf in sheep clothing video. All right? Y'all know how thing go already. And stay tuned because we about to do some more of the whole alkaline versus Tommy Lee versus, or alkaline versus popcorn, Tommy Lee in it, and all these things. It's SouFLoTV. I'm up out of here. Peace.